I'd like to introduce Dr. Glenn Gerhard. Am I pronouncing that?
Gerhard.
Gerhard.
Yep.
Working in the personalized medicine department at Hershey Medical Center. He is doing research in ALS.
Thank you, Maryann.
Would you like to tell us about this amazing thing?
Yeah, so what we keep on the wall here at the Institute for Personalized Medicine is the initial map of the human genome that was published in Science, I believe back in around 2001 when the sequence came out. And what I like to have this as a reminder, we had it laminated, keep it on the wall here, that originally the human genome had to be mapped out with a lot of little pieces of DNA over all the chromosomes, and because now we live in an era where it's all just ACGs and Ts from the sequencing. It really was, all those ACGs and Ts came from this map, and it's just a good reminder that it's really complicated, and there are over 3 billion ACGs and Ts. And for ALS, from what we know, in most cases that are genetic are dominant, and that means that it's just one base out of those 3 billion that can cause the disease.
So if you get frustrated with your research, you come here and look at this.
Well, it's comforting that it
reminds
keeps,
you.
yes, it reminds me that we're dealing with a really complicated amount of data, and that, but we have the opportunity now because the original sequencing of the human genome cost around $2 to $3 billion, depending on how you exactly, and now we can do a whole genome for the $5,000 to $10,000 range, and the protein coding part of the genome, which is called the exome, we can do for around $1,000 to $2,000. So from a couple of billion to a couple of thousand, that is now feasible for labs.
There must be an app for that.
Yes, there have been, yes.